Good day, Ma'am, Sir. My name is Mary Grace Sarmiento Dacumos, 36 years old, from Isabela, Philippines. I am married with two kids aged 18 and 16 years old. I have 13 years work experience as domestic helper. First, 6 years in Dubai in one employer. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of 6 children, washing the clothes, iron, clean the house, and cooking. Second, 2 years in Qatar in one employer. Main duties and responsibilities are taking care of twins, clean the house, washing the clothes, iron, and cooking. Third, 5 years and 7 months in Singapore, and my main duties and responsibilities are taking care of elderly, feed her, take her a bath, cleaning the house, wash the clothes, and iron. I hope you will choose me to join your family soon. Thank you very much and God bless.